Adventures in AddyLand. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is my next present that I'm going to be opening. So I'm going to open it, and it's a Pikmipop that I'm going to be opening today. And it's a big one, and it's going to smell good. Okay. Now next, keep peeling. Now go pop this open. Voila! Oh, it smells like cotton candy. A unicorn! His name is Marshmallow, and he smells like marshmallow. The color his hair is blue, purple, pink, yellow, blue, and purple. Isn't it cute, you guys? I'll put it right here so you can see it. Some more stuff. Oh, a baby cow. Unicorn! Okay. Last one. Another unicorn! They're not really the same unicorns, you guys. But I have one more thing. A note. Let's see if I can read it. And he smells like cotton candy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below and give some thumbs up. Bye.